You are going to love the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.